Greetings! It's Maxo Diddly. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can make your picture in Photoshop black and white. Let's get right into it. So firstly you want to go up here and click on Layer. Then go to New Adjustment Layer. Then click on Black and White. Then you can give a name to your new black and white layer and you can select a colour. I recommend selecting grey. You can leave modes to normal and opacity to 100%. Then click on OK. Now your image has a grayscale shader applied to it, making it look black and white. But you can do more. If you look at the right, you can see there are some colours with some sliders. You can move these about to impact how these colours impact the grayscale shader applied to your image, so you can change how it looks. You can slide these to your liking. Thanks for watching this very quick tutorial. I'll see you next time.